This is how you rotate a photo on iPhone. The reason you often want to do this is because you take a picture, but it's either portrait or landscape, and you don't want one or the other. So here's what you do. You go into Photos, and you find the photo you want to rotate. Let's do this one here as an example. I recently broke my soccer cleat, took a little photo of it, but maybe I want to turn this sideways and make it portrait. To do that, tap on this little icon down here. That's the settings icon, or the edit icon. And then tap on crop at the bottom. There's a bunch of options that appear both here and up here. So to rotate, we want to tap this square with the arrow over one corner. And now it's rotated. But it's wide. So it's basically landscape now. If you want to make this portrait, rotate this back for a second. This is portrait mode, where it's like the length and the width of the phone. Landscape mode is the phone turned sideways. But when it's in landscape, you can also shrink this down to make a portrait. You can either drag and drop these corners and hopefully get it just right. You can do it on the sides too, but you see it scales because it has this little lock up here. Tap on that lock, and now the aspect ratio is not linked to what you're doing there, and you can just position it however you want it. But if you want to be more precise, let's tap on reset to undo what I just did. Tap on this icon right here. It looks kind of like a collage. Now tap on original right here. And now these two icons become available. One is portrait, the vertical one. One's landscape. We have landscape checked. If we tap on the portrait, it resizes our image to be the proper height for a portrait image, proper dimensions, and then we can just more specifically position our photo exactly how we want it. And when you have the photo rotated and laid out exactly how you want it, just press done at the top. As you know, photos take up space on your phone, and it can be a lot of space that they take up. Check out this video right here, which is going to help you find more space on your phone so you can have more photos. So check out that video, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this one. I'll see you there.